So in this video, we're going to talk about skin smoothing, which is a new filter in Photoshop 2021. It's located in Filter, Neural Filters, and in Neural Filters you have multiple options. You have skin smoothing, you have style transfer, and there's some other options like Smart Portrait, Colorize, which are located in my other videos. For now, we're going to talk about skin smoothing. So here you have a face which is a little bit rough looking, but we're going to make it smooth. So in just one click, and it turns very smooth and nice. And you have the option of increasing the blur. You can put it at 100 and it becomes a little bit extra blurry, but let's put it back to 50, it's better. You can see from here. And you have the option to make the smoothness -50, and you can see from here there's a little bit like roughness, so let's put it to 50 and it becomes much better. I think this is the best option, which you have 50 blur and 50 smoothness. So let's press OK, and here you go. In one single click you have the face smooth. And we have another filter which is called Depth Trace, which kind of detects the background instead of the face, so it makes the background blurry and focused on the guy. So it's located in Filter, Neural Filters, and this time let's go to Beta Filters from here, and the filter is called Depth Trace. So with just one click, and it changes the background and makes it more blurry, but it takes some time, and here you go. And it becomes very blurry. So you have an option called Haze, which you can turn it off and then turn it on and put it at 100 or put it at 0, and you can see you can manipulate how much haze you want. So we have an option called Warmth. You click it on and then let's put it at 50, and you can see the background is warm. Let's put it at -50 and you can see the opposite. So that's about it. So let's put it back, maybe the warmth to about 1 and the haze to about 64. This looks fine. And let's press OK. And that's about it. I think this is the best option. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you enjoy, please subscribe.